Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. This puts you where Settings live. Once logged in, go straight to the menu, 3 lines on mobile or the account arrow on desktop, and open Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings and look for Active Status under Privacy or Chat options. This is the control that tells Facebook if you appear online. Do this now because disabling here stops real-time green dots and last seen indicators across devices. Once you locate active status, toggle the switch off. This is the core action that disables your online presence. You might see different wording. Turn off anything that says show when you're active or similar. Make sure to confirm if a prompt appears. After turning it off, your account should stop broadcasting green dots or recent activity timestamps. To be safe, close the app and reopen it so the change synchronizes. This ensures other devices and sessions respect the new setting. Finish by verifying the change. Check from another device or ask a friend if your green dot is gone. If you still appear online, log out of other active sessions because an older session may be broadcasting status. Also make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions sometimes ignore new settings. If problems persist, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall. This resolves corrupted settings. One troubleshooting tip: if settings won't save, check for network restrictions or account-linked chat apps that may override active status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.